Guys, today we are playing Garten, a Banban, Banban, in my dark, scary room. It is currently 12:24 a.m.
We can't scream, or else it'll wake his mom up.
Yes, my mom is right below me. So we are being quiet.
No screaming.
No screaming. Okay, let's get started.
For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock. Pressed. Oh, so it's like a cam. Oh,
the door opened.
The door opened. What
There's
is that?
blood on the wall.
Is that
or,
blood?
Or like,
it looks like
poop.
Yeah, something like that. Whoa. All the lights are off. Oh, and that's
Okay,
it.
let's get started. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables, fruits.
What does that say? Boots? Boots.
That's where you put your boots.
Oh wait, is that a collectible?
This card?
Yeah, there we go. Ooh,
okay,
see, I'm already on it. There's like a blue key card thing over there, yeah.
Okay, but I'm exploring. I think this is Banban, right?
I think, and then I know the pink one's the teacher. Then there's the bird. I don't know.
The pink one's the teacher?
Or sorry, the white one. Sorry, the white one's the teacher.
Oh.
Okay, we have our walkie. We have our little radio.
Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me.
Pick up the drone.
I can't.
I'm joking. Pick up the radio then.
Hello?
Oh, yeah. Remote car has 2 batteries.
Okay. Well, I don't have any batteries.
Oh wait, there's a battery.
Wait, this was literally not here. No, what the hell?
Alright, do you want to go?
Yeah. Left mouse button?
Yeah, on the button.
Wait, it's doing it itself. I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Yeah. I didn't do that.
Drone like presses it. Yeah. Damn.
It didn't do anything. This game sucks.
Try the other button. Try that one, yeah. Oh, wait, why'd it turn red? Oh, there we go.
Oh, it did it. Okay.
Yeah. So we go.
What?
Oh.
Whoa, buddy.
Call the toy into there. Call the toy into there. Yeah.
Wait, this is actually so smart. We got it.
Didn't do shit. Yeah, wait, be ready to run. We can't scream.
Oh, he left.
Okay, that's good. Yeah,
hello?
he's here.
It won't let me in.
Watch out for the bird behind you, bro.
Well, I'm not allowed to go in.
It's gonna flank you.
Oh, this is glass.
Oh, wait, so the toy can't destroy yellow glass, but I think it can destroy normal glass.
I think that's what it's saying.
This drone sucks.
Wait.
Oh, wait, it can
break yellow glass is what it says.
But it can't break.
Are we blind?
Objects are like breakable. And
do it. Oh, was that a bad noise? Did it work?
wait, why is its shadow so big?
Okay, I'll go again. Is there a light switch?
It's dark and scary.
Hello?
There's a bird in here.
I'm scared.
Yeah, no, I am too. We can't scream though.
Wait, we have the blue.
What was that? Wait, did you jump?
Yeah, we have the blue key card.
Oh wait. Bro.
Opila bird is unbelievably hungry for the 6 eggs.
6 eggs. Oh,
Oh.
there's an egg.
Easy. Gulp that. Can I go down
the
this?
slide.
No, I can't.
Dude, press E to interact. Oh.
The slide's not even connected.
Yeah, wait, that's a whack ass slide. Oh, there's an egg. Grab it.
How do I get it?
Oh. Here we go.
Oh. You.
Bring a friend day stickers. Caution. Peel slowly.
Why?
Peel it. Peel it.
It didn't let me.
Oh, right there, yeah. Yo, grab it. Grab it, big dog. Grab it,
I'm
big
stuck.
dog.
Hello?
Move. What are you doing?
Hello?
What? Are you good?
No,
Is it
wait,
like
you move.
Is it like the blue stuff? I'm wrong. This game is whack. Oh, whoa. The drone hopped.
Yo, what the heck?
Is it the blue stuff?
The water? Maybe.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Give me this.
Maybe not calling it again.
Yeah, but how do I get the egg then? Bro, this game is whack.
There's one in the swing, definitely.
She already has it. What did it do? It did not do nothing.
No.
Where's my prize?
I don't like it.
Oh my gosh, a key card.
Where is it? Oh.
Oh, it's yellow because that was the color of the key card.
Oh, a hammer for the
You read it.
report. Distraction at 1.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Yeah, see? Yeah. Yeah, well, no. Yeah. The bird's gonna be on the other couch. Oh, wait, no, this wasn't. Yeah. Oh, wait, get ready for the drone to press the emergency stop in case something happens. I want to play with the hole.
It's a song. Sing it.
Oh.
That's right, turn that shit up, man.
I alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have a party without me. Miss Mason see me, but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny.
Wait, dude, that's actually kind of good.
Alright.
Okay, what is this?
Gotta get the colors. I know big dude is green. What color is that guy? Oh wait, we have 2 options. We have like, oh no, we only have 1, right?
Yellow?
Yellow. Wait, what are they? Yeah.
there-
Oh, okay, got it. Okay.
Shoot, that scared me.
Okay. Oh, orange bird. Oh no, that's the bird.
What the?
That's the bird.
Let me.
Emergency stop. Emergency stop. Emergency stop. Emergency stop. No, 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 Preston, go the other way. Jump. No, we're gonna get jump scared. We're gonna get jump scared. We're gonna get jump scared. Is he gonna get off? No, Preston, jump. Preston, jump. No, what do we do? Wait, refresh it. Or something, yeah. Press that. No, press it with your hand.
I can't go. I won't go.
Oh, hit it with the drone. Jump. Don't let him jump screen. Don't let him jump screen. Yes, wait, what do you do? Look at the guy. Wait, be ready. Look at the button.
Wait.
Here we go. Press it, bro.
It's going.
It's so slow. What? Where'd you go from here? Where'd you go? What? Where's your teeth? That's just a lame jump scare. Wait, that's so
bad.
You do it. What's he gonna do about it? What's the color? I don't know. All the way over here. Left hand. There we go. I'm insane. Drone move. What's this? I'm insane.
Let's go. What? I told you.
Yo, what's bumping me, bro? Let's go. In here. Oh. There we go.
Okay.
Look at that shit out here. Oh no, this is right. Can I go down?
Is that Huggy Wuggy?
Yo, I saw blue. No way.
Pretty sure the blue was the office chair you kicked down there. Like,
Get the shit out of here.
It's a nifty little elevator.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, Gate. Alright,
Okay.
you ready? Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Are you ready for this?
Listen to this elevator.
I hope you guys enjoy this.
No, we look stupid on the camera now. Whoa, whoa.
You've been a bad boy.
Oh, we broke down.
Oh my gosh, guys.
We broke down, what happened?
What the? What was that?
You got launched. What's going on, guys? Oh, it's party time. Hey.
Oh,
Oh.
that sucks.
Hey, wait, we should try that out sometime, though.
Guys. Thank you.
Oh.
Guys. Oh, wait. Guys. Thank you for watching. Wait, we have to do it. Thank you for watching Garten of Banban. And we love you. Okay, we're doing it. Thank you for watching Garten of Banban. And we love you. Make our...
What? No, stop. I can't do that one.
What?
Do that, yeah. Yeah, perfect. I'm not doing that.
No, yeah, do it. Go. No, they can do it. Come on.
Hold on.
Okay, good.
We love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and smash the like button. Smash it as if it was.
No, what's a smashable person?
Banban.
Guys, make sure you smash that like button. Slam it against the wall. Press up against it just like it's Banban. We'll see you in the next one.
Killed a flamingo.
Do some ASMR for that.
Okay. In this episode, we killed a creepy flamingo bird. And next video, we'll probably kill another dude. Probably that red dude.
No, probably the green one.
Fuck the green one. He's the big bro.
Oh.
Yeah, but see, like in that like little the bottom right is the red dude. I am the theory.
He is the theory. Oh, that was awesome. So guys, best of wishes to all. Peace. This is so stupid.
Don't do that. You're cutting that out.
No, no.
Yeah, you're right.
Guys, I'm not cutting it.
Do it.
If it gets cut, it's because of him.
Okay, you just
Okay,
stop the video. You just stop the
No,
video.
I'm not.
Yeah, you just stop the video.